Welcome everyone. Today we're looking into a fascinating topic that has captivated millions around the globe, the law of attraction. You've probably heard about it. This simple yet profound principle suggests that by focusing our thoughts on what we desire, we can attract those things into our lives. But how does it work? Is it as straightforward as thinking about something and then, voila, it appears? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore. So, whether you're a skeptic, a curious learner, or a firm believer, stay with us as we unravel the mysteries of the law of attraction and how you can harness its power to achieve anything you desire. Section 1. Understanding the basics. Let's start with the basics. The law of attraction isn't about magic wands or mystical forces. Instead, it's grounded in the idea that our thoughts can shape our reality. Think of it this way. Every thought you have is like a seed planted in the soil of your life. Some thoughts will take root, grow, and flourish like seeds, while others might wither away. The law of attraction suggests that by nurturing positive, goal-oriented thoughts, we can create the conditions for those thoughts to manifest in our lives. But how do we do that? First, it's crucial to understand that the law of attraction operates on the principle of like attracts like. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts do the opposite. It's like tuning into a radio station. You must be on the right frequency to catch the music you want to hear. In the case of the law of attraction, that frequency is determined by the nature of your thoughts and emotions. Now you might wonder, is it all in my head? Well, not exactly. While the law of attraction emphasizes the importance of thoughts and emotions, it's not suggesting that thoughts alone can transform reality. Instead, it's about aligning your mental and emotional energy with your actions. This alignment creates a powerful synergy that can propel you towards your goals. Section 2. The history and popularity. The concept of the law of attraction has been introduced previously. Its roots stretch back centuries, finding mentions in various philosophical, spiritual, and religious traditions around the world. But it gained significant popularity in the early 20th century with the New Thought movement. Authors and thinkers of that era, like William Walker Atkinson and Wallace D. Wattles, began to explore and write about the idea that thoughts can directly influence our experiences and reality. Fast forward to the present day, and the law of attraction has seen a resurgence, thanks in part to books like The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This book and countless seminars, workshops, and online content have brought the law of attraction into mainstream discussions. People from all walks of life, including celebrities, athletes, and successful entrepreneurs, have credited the law of attraction for their achievements and life changes. But why has it become so popular? One reason might be its universal appeal. The law of attraction doesn't belong to any culture, religion, or philosophy. It's a principle that anyone can apply, regardless of background or beliefs. Its simplicity is appealing. The idea that changing our thoughts can change our lives is both empowering and accessible. It suggests we have more control over our lives than we might have believed. While we venture further into the world of the law of attraction, we find ourselves at the doorstep of perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects, the science behind it. Now, this is where things get interesting because, let's face it, we all crave proof and something tangible that says, yes, this isn't just a bunch of feel-good mumbo-jumbo. There's something real at work here. Section 3, the science behind it. So what does science have to say about the law of attraction? It's a mixed bag, to be honest. On the one hand, there isn't direct scientific evidence that says, yes, thinking positive thoughts will manifest a new car in your driveway. But numerous studies in psychology and neuroscience hint at the power of positive thinking and how our mindset can significantly influence our lives. For instance, the placebo effect, a well-documented phenomenon in medical science, shows us that people can experience fundamental changes in their health simply by believing they're receiving treatment, even when it's just a sugar pill. This suggests that our beliefs and expectations can profoundly affect our physical reality. Research in positive psychology has shown that maintaining an optimistic outlook can lead to better health, longer life, and tremendous success. Optimists tend to cope better with stress, recover faster from illness, and enjoy more satisfying relationships. This isn't to say that positive thinking is a cure-all, but it certainly underscores the idea that our mindset plays a crucial role in shaping our experiences. Section 4. Visualization. Let's discuss visualization, an essential practice in the law of attraction. Visualization is all about creating a mental image of your desired outcome, seeing it in your mind's eye as vividly as if it were already a reality. The idea here is to engage your thoughts, emotions, and senses, making the imagined experience as accurate as possible. Now, you might be asking, how does this help? Well, visualization serves several purposes. For one, it helps clarify your goals, making them more concrete and attainable. But more importantly, by repeatedly visualizing your desired outcome, you're training your brain to recognize and pursue opportunities that might bring you closer to your goals. This concept is backed by neuroscience by understanding the brain's reticular activating system, RAS. The RAS acts as a filter for the overwhelming amount of information we encounter daily, prioritizing what gets noticed based on what's deemed necessary. By visualizing your goals, you're essentially telling your RAS, hey, this is important to me, making it more likely for you to notice and act on opportunities related to your goals. We've studied the law of attraction's scientific underpinnings and visualization's decisive role. While direct scientific evidence for the law of attraction may be elusive, the interconnectedness of positive thinking, the placebo effect, and the practical application of visualization offer a compelling narrative. They suggest that while the universe might not serve our wishes on a silver platter, there is undeniable power in the focused positive energy we bring daily. When we continue, remember that the journey of harnessing the law of attraction is as much about understanding its principles as it is about applying them in a way that resonates with your unique life and circumstances. While we look into the essence of the law of attraction, we arrive at a crucial component that often determines the success or failure of our endeavors: emotional alignment. This concept goes beyond positive thinking or visualization. It ensures our emotions resonate with our desires, creating a powerful frequency that attracts what we seek. Section 5. Emotional alignment. Emotional alignment is the harmony between what we think and how we feel. Imagine you're visualizing your dream job. It's not enough to picture it. You need to feel the excitement, the pride, and the joy as if you're already there. This emotional investment breathes life into your visualizations, making them magnetic to similar experiences in the real world. But here's the catch: aligning your emotions with your desires isn't always easy, especially when reality seems to be on a different page. This is where the concept of acting as if comes into play. It's about embodying the feelings and attitudes you believe you would have if your desires were already fulfilled. Feeling grateful, joyful, and abundant, even before your circumstances reflect your desires, can help shift your emotional state to match your aspirations. This alignment is crucial because our emotions drive much of our subconscious behavior. When our emotions align with our desires, we're more likely to take inspired actions, recognize opportunities, and attract circumstances that align with our goals. Section 6. Taking action. This brings us to a fundamental truth about the law of attraction that is often overlooked: the importance of action. While it's powerful to visualize and maintain emotional alignment, these practices must be coupled with action. The universe might set the stage, but it's up to us to perform. Taking action is where many falter, either because they're waiting for a perfect moment that never comes, or because they believe that desire alone is enough. But the law of attraction is not a ticket to a passive ride toward your dreams. It's about co-creating with the universe, which means doing your part by taking concrete steps toward your goals. The actions don't have to be grandiose. They need to be aligned with your goals. Small, consistent actions can create ripples that become waves, gradually building the momentum needed to bring your desires to fruition. This approach demystifies the law of attraction, grounding it in a balanced mix of metaphysical practices and practical steps. We've explored the intricate dance between our internal emotional states and the external actions we must take. Emotional alignment and taking action are two sides of the same coin, both essential for effectively harnessing the law of attraction. As we progress, the journey is as much about becoming the person who can hold and cherish your desires as it is about achieving them. Keep your emotions in tune with your dreams, and let your actions speak the language of your intentions, and together, these practices form a powerful synergy that can transform your life in ways you've imagined. Section 7. Overcoming obstacles. Encountering obstacles is a natural part of any journey, and the path illuminated by the law of attraction is no exception. Doubt, skepticism, and seemingly impossible barriers can often cloud our vision and dampen our spirits. When faced with obstacles, the first step is to acknowledge them without allowing them to diminish your belief in the possibility of achieving your dreams. This acknowledgement isn't about resigning to difficulties, but recognizing them as part of the process. It's crucial to maintain a positive outlook, focusing on solutions rather than problems. One effective strategy is to revisit your emotional alignment and ensure that your beliefs align with your desires. Sometimes, obstacles arise as a reflection of internal conflicts or unresolved doubts. By addressing these inner challenges, you can clear the path for your external reality to align with your aspirations. Additionally, flexibility is critical. Being too rigid in your expectations can make it harder to navigate obstacles. Sometimes, the universe might have a different route in mind, leading to the same destination but via a less traveled road. Grabbing this flexibility allows you to adapt and solve your challenges creatively. Section 8. Practical exercises to solidify the principles of the law of attraction in our lives. Engaging in practical exercises that reinforce our commitment and enhance our ability to manifest our desires is helpful. These exercises aren't just tasks, they're rituals that connect us more deeply with our intentions and the universe's abundance. One powerful practice is maintaining a gratitude journal. Every day, take a few moments to write down what you're grateful for. This simple act shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life, aligning you with the frequency of gratitude and abundance, which in turn attracts more of the same. Affirmations are another potent tool. These cheerful, present tense statements reinforce your goals and the belief in your ability to achieve them. By regularly reciting affirmations that resonate with your desires, you're programming your subconscious to align with your aspirations, making it easier to take inspired action. Mindfulness and meditation can significantly enhance your connection to the law of attraction. You create a space where inspiration and clarity can flourish by quieting the mind and focusing on your intentions. Even just a few minutes of meditation daily can significantly impact your ability to remain aligned with your goals. We bring our exploration of the law of attraction to a close. This is not the end, but the beginning of your journey. The principles and practices we've discussed are tools for you to use, adapt, and integrate into your life in a way that resonates with your unique path. Starting your journey with the law of attraction involves commitment, patience, and an open heart. It's about grabbing the belief that you are the creator of your reality, and that by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you can manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Begin by taking small, consistent steps. Whether through visualization, affirmations, or mindfulness practices, find what works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Celebrate your successes, learn from your challenges, and remain open to the endless possibilities the universe offers. The law of attraction is not just about attracting what you want. It's about becoming the person who is ready to receive all the abundance, love, and joy that life has to offer. So, take a deep breath, set your intentions, and step forward with confidence and belief in your ability to create your desired life. Conclusion. In our journey today, we've unfolded the layers of the law of attraction, from its basic principles and historical roots to the practical exercises that can help us integrate its teachings into our lives. We've discussed the importance of emotional alignment, the necessity of taking action, and the power of overcoming obstacles. When you move forward, carry the knowledge that the law of attraction is not a magic formula, but a way of life. It's a journey of aligning your inner world with your outer reality, filled with growth, challenges, and transformation. And thank you for joining me on this exploration. May your journey with the law of attraction be filled with abundance, success, and happiness. Remember, the universe is always listening, so dream big, believe in your power, and take inspired action toward creating the life of your dreams.